Hi friends, today we will be discussing about GATE. GATE, which stands for Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering and is jointly conducted by ISC and IITs and is one of the most competitive examination in India. GATE basically is a test designed to check your aptitude and basics of your engineering. It does not check your in-depth knowledge of engineering. ओके सो लेट मी टेल यू व्हाई गेट। हम में से काफ़ी लोग सोचते होंगे कि किस लिए गेट दिया जाए, क्या कैरियर प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स हैं, क्या एवेन्यूज हैं। गेट लिखने के बाद व्हाट ऑल अपॉर्चुनिटीज वी विल हैव वंस वी राइट द एग्जामिनेशन। सो फ्रेंड्स, लेट मी टेल यू, गेट विल ओपन द डोर फॉर योर ब्राइट फ्यूचर। काफ़ी लोगों को ये मिसकॉन्सेप्शन रहता है कि गेट लिखने के बाद कहीं पर जाकर एमटेक करना पड़ेगा। Yes, it is true to an extent. Yes, once you qualify your GATE examination with good marks, you can get an admission in the most prestigious institutes of India like ISC, IITs and NIT. Also, not all of you must be knowing that there are few foreign universities which accept GATE score for their MS admissions and MS and PhD admissions. There are 4 such universities and they are NUS Singapore, NTU Singapore, Technical University of Germany, RWTCH Aachen, Germany. Now, if you go for MTech, let me tell you, you are going for specialization, research, and you are on the way to become scientist. If you get a score good enough to get into one of the IITs, you should know that you have actually done good for you. And first, you get a tag of IIT, and also you get a huge campus with a large number of amenities and healthy environment which help you in your overall development. Can you think about getting paid for studying? Yes, students in MTech get somewhere around 12,000 per month as stipend. MTech opens up avenues for you in the field of teaching and research. Plus, it's not just it's कि आपको टीचिंग ही एक ऑप्शन रहेगा। MTech students also get an opportunity to sit for placements and interviews and get placed into big firms. In my opinion, if you want a simple, tension-free life and a good salary package, teaching is always a good option. Friends, do you know कि BTech के बाद you can directly go for PhD? अगर आपने भी BTech में 70% और 7.5 CGPA से अबव स्कोर किया है और you are expecting to score, then you just need to qualify your GATE examination with good score and you will be eligible to go for PhD. You don't need to complete master's degree for applying in PhD. Apart from that, a large number of companies have entered into collaboration with GATE and have started recruiting candidates based on the GATE score. There are some 40 plus companies which have their recruitment through GATE. Some of them are BARC, BHEL, NTPC, ONGC, GAIL, IOCL, HPCL, BPCL, HAL, NPCIL, SAIL, NHAI and many others to name. These companies offer a good salary package to candidates who clear their interviews. The PSU's recruitment through GATE score started in 2010 and this initiative was taken by IOCL, and since then a large number of companies have started recruiting based on GATE score. So it is very important to to have a good GATE score if you want to get into one of these PSUs. And now let us discuss about who all are eligible to apply for GATE examination. वैसे तो आप लोगों को ये GATE के ब्राउचर से पता ही लग जाएगा, बट फिर भी मैं एक बार फिर से बता देना चाहता हूँ. This exam can be given by any person who are in their final year or completed B.Tech, B.Pharma, bachelor degree in architecture, BSc Research, bachelor degree in science with 4 years course of 4 years after 10 plus 2, MSc, MCA, integrated MEM Tech or integrated MSc, integrated BSMS, B.Tech, BE, B.Arch. Equivalent examination of professional societies recognized by MHRD, UPSC, AICTE. And examples are AMIE, Institute of Engineers, India, AMICE by the Institute of Civil Engineers, India. So let me summarize all that I have told you. GATE, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, helps you pursue a master's degree in engineering from ISCs, IITs and NITs and few foreign universities. Helps you to get into PSU like NTPC, GAIL, BHEL, SAIL, ONGC, ROCL and others. It also helps you to apply for PhD by qualifying GATE, provided you have 70% marks or CGPA of 7.5 in your bachelor's. हमारे अगले वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर GATE. मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा कुछ टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स. सो स्टे ट्यून for my next video and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Goodbye.